All right, you guys, it's the best day of the week. It's yard sale time. So we're gonna go look for some amazing deals. I want to hit the swap meet today. I want to go to a bunch of garage sales. There's a community yard sale I want to go to. So we have a lot on the agenda. Tag along with me because it's gonna be lots of fun. This one looked promising because I saw lots of stuff, but not a lot of the stuff I usually sell. The sogs though, I was like, hey, these could flip for maybe 20 bucks.
We're not actually having people come in here.
Oh, sorry. Sorry about that.
Why did you come here? Get out!
Whoops. It's not a good yard sale Saturday unless I get scolded by somebody. Off to a great start. It happens to the best of us. I planned for garage sales the best I could. I just couldn't hit up any good ones today. Like, I guess I picked the wrong ones for my list to go to. Anyway, the bins did deliver for me, thank heavens. All right, you guys, full disclosure, yard sales were a disaster this morning. So the last one that I went to that was nothing ended up being really close to the bins. So we're gonna go to the bins today. It's been a long time. It's time that I go find some really cool stuff for cheap to flip. And you guys are gonna join me. Cross your fingers for me that I find good stuff. It's a Saturday. I don't have my bag with me. It's gonna be interesting. Do you think I could get a bag or something? Because I don't have a cart.
Can't really give you a bag of toothpaste.
Oh, okay, no problem. I get it.
Nothing for you!
Right out the gate, I spotted a Michael Kors bag, but this is the older label and I didn't see awesome comps for it, so I did end up passing on it. However, these Sorel Joni 2 wedges were in really good condition. They just need a little bit of cleaning on the sole and they'll sell for like 50 bucks. I mean, right off the bat, we found, these were like sitting there, just no one had touched them. I mean, I need to clean them up a little at the bottom here, which shouldn't be too hard with like a magic eraser or the pink stuff. But these are Sorel Joni sandal wedges and they're in really good condition other than just, you know, that stuff I can get off with a magic eraser. Yeah, these will sell for like 50 bucks on their own, 40 to 50, it depends. Yeah, these are a really great find, again, right off the bat. So that bode well for me. There's a little outdoor research hat. This is good. I need to obviously wash and get all this stuff off, but this could be decent. Whoa, okay. Oh my gosh. This is the vintage tag, vintage label here. That's good. Nice. And then we have the Burberry pants. I was like, these are just sitting there? And they have the original Goodwill tag on them even. So yeah, these are in excellent condition. These should sell for like 60 bucks. I love selling Burberry. When it's vintage even, it sells great. Burberry's, that is vintage Burberry. So that's not like a dupe or anything. It's actually real. And yeah, these should sell great. Thrilled to find that. Whenever I see a new with tags item at the bins, I take a second look, and this is a brand called Swimsuits for All. This little Swimsuits for All cover-up dress, this should sell fine. I had to look up the brand. I hadn't really heard of it before, but the tag looked nice. And when something's brand new, I'm gonna look it up if I haven't heard of it. This should sell for like at least 25 bucks. So thrilled with that, considering, hey, we're at the bins. This is a brand to look out for. It's Knix, K-N-I-X. They make bras and they're very expensive retail, and they even resell pre-owned really, really well. Same with Ariat. I'm always looking for this brand. It's a really good like Western wear brand. Their shoes sell for a ton and the jeans are really decent. I thought this Colorado Limited beanie was pretty cute, and I found some Athleta leggings as well. I knew this was a newer style of Nike, and this is actually the Nike Indie Icon Clash bra. It has large spell out. Those are all good things when it comes to Nike. You want that label to stand out. And then some Nike Icon Clash leggings, which should also sell really, really well. It's not a good day at the bins until we find my favorite outdoor brand, Patagonia. I'm always looking first for like their jackets or sweaters, but these base layers, these long sleeve capulines sell very consistently for me in my store. I do like picking up newer Tag Theory. This is a men's polo and it already sold for me for $20. Something to keep in mind is large logos, large spellouts are always good. Cool is a great brand, and now you know how to pronounce it too.
Kinda hot in these rhinos.
Another great outdoor brand, Kavu, K-A-V-U. These shorts will sell fantastic. All of their clothes from this line sell well. fresh rotation of bins, and the first thing I picked out when I rushed over there were these Nike track pants. They're fully lined. They should sell fantastic. I love finding anything Nike, as you guys have seen in many of my videos. This kind of soft fleece full zip from North Face is called the Osito jacket. I've sold it a bunch and it sells great. This is the North Face Mod Osito 2 jacket. I've sold this a million times when it has like the super soft fleece. This will need to be like cleaned and brushed, but every time I've sold this, it's sold for at least $30. So I'm always gonna pick that up as long as it's like salvageable. Now J.Jill isn't something I usually pick up, but this is in a 4X, which is a good size for resale on eBay, so I grabbed that. As well as these boots, they're in a little bit of rough shape, but I'm gonna show you guys how to clean them right up. So these Hunter Welly boots are made in Scotland, which is a great sign. These sell for more than just the traditional Hunter boots. I think this means that they're vintage, but I'll do more research on that, or at least like the more original style. Yes, there's some white like stuff on it, but that's actually really easy to remove from Hunter boots with some Goo Gone, and I'll show you how I do that right here. So I've got just some Goo Gone spray. I'm gonna spray it right on, take like a clean cloth, and
Wax on, wax off.
there we go. Like it looks, look at that, fantastic, and like that white stuff will be gone. Again, if you use that Goo Gone, even when it like dries down, it'll look really, really good. So look at that, I mean, that's shocking. Look at the before and after. Again, these will sell for between $50 and $75, I think, plus shipping. RIP to these Allbird tree runners. They're just in way too rough of shape, but they would have sold for like $30 otherwise. How's it going? No receipt, we're good. Thank you so much. Real talk. If you guys want to go to the bins, but you don't have an IKEA bag, just turn around and go home. This was not a great experience. It was the surface temperature of the sun in there. And it was very, very frustrating to shop without a bag. So that's on me. Yeah, it's just getting crazier and crazier, which is fine. But I still found some great stuff. All right, so it's been a chaotic day anyway, but there is a Patagonia outlet here that I've never been to. Well, I haven't been like a really like 10 years. So what do you say we go and see if there's anything we can flip? I don't know. It's been a really long time. So I don't know if they have like flippable prices, but why not explore, right?
What could possibly go wrong?
Ooh, ooh. Okay, well, now we know. Avoid that, because that wasn't so great. Darn. Okay, it's the most important time of the day. It's treat time, because you guys know, good day, bad day, I don't even care anymore. I'm getting my treat. I'm gonna get a cookie too, because whatever. For what it's worth, I usually get either the Allison Show or the I Love Lucy. And today I think I'm gonna do the I Love Lucy.
Hey, I better figure out the right one for you.
Thank you. Thanks so much. Oh my gosh, I needed that so bad. Today was a long day, you guys, and that is delicious. Hi, Gruey. Hi. Can you say hi?
Hi, Mom.
So I've had better Saturdays, but you know what? It was still a success. I added everything up here and I think we have like over $600 in sales here. I paid $30 for everything. So that's a huge amount of profit in my pocket. And I'm really glad as always I got to take you guys along. Look, it's not always gonna be a huge home run, but that's just life. I'm just out here trying to do the best I can. And I'm thrilled that anyone tunes in and joins me along the way. Thanks you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.